everybody keeps saying they want me to make a how-to video. I'm not going to make a how-to video. I'm just going to show you what I did. It's just folded over plastic. Just take some plastic, heat it up, fold it over, and you look at the fin. It works like it's supposed to. The rubber's kind of thick. I used Allen head nuts or Allen head bolts. Everything's stainless. Allen head bolts with a nylock nut, and I ground down all the nuts and then sanded them smooth so they wouldn't catch anything. But if you look here, you see it does exactly what it's supposed to do. And it's a really simple design. The only purpose for this is to hold the tensioning nut. I mean, I could have just made this go up and over and made a little hole in it, but I was afraid it might rip, so I went ahead and did this. And that's the whole design right there. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1. And if Hobie can call theirs turbo fins. Oh, another thing I did was I made these wider down to here and then tapered them down. So mine are nitro fins. But yeah, you see, they work like they're supposed to. This one's a little tighter than that one, but I don't care.